Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna fix iPhone personal hotspot not working. Firstly, try enabling mobile data and personal hotspot. Go to Settings, Cellular, and turn on cellular data. Then go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and turn on Allow Others to join. If it's already on, try toggling Allow Others to join off and back on. Secondly, you can try and maximize compatibility for iPhone 12 or later. Just go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot. Enable Maximize Compatibility. This switches to a 2.4 GHz signal for better range but slightly slower speed, which helps with older devices when the hotspot isn't showing up. If you're using a Mac and having issues, just check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. You've signed into the same Apple ID on both devices. Try restarting both iPhone and Mac if the issue persists. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.